Hey community, welcome back to the SightSpeak AI channel. Today I'm sharing a complete beginner-friendly walkthrough of Snowflake from understanding the basics, setting up your environment, all the way to connecting Snowflake with Python. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. You'll learn data engineering, cloud tools, Python, Snowflake, databricks, and more step by step. If you're a beginner starting your data engineering journey, this video is definitely for you. Before we start building anything, let's quickly understand what Snowflake is. Snowflake is a cloud-based data warehouse. It separates compute, warehouse, and storage, database. It scales automatically. It's widely used for analytics, ETL/ELT, and data engineering workflows. Key Snowflake components: warehouse performs compute tasks, queries, transformations. Database stores data. Schema organizes objects inside a database. Tables store structured data. Snowside overview: left side databases, worksheets, warehouses, center SQL worksheet editor, bottom query results. Now let's setting up the Snowflake environment. I created a new free trial Snowflake account using my company email. Once the account was created, I was able to log in using the web UI. Now create core objects inside a worksheet I ran. Next, I created a sample table inside Snowflake to validate that everything works. Then I inserted a few rows to test the table. Finally, I ran a select query to verify the data was inserted correctly. Next, I set up a clean Python virtual environment for Snowflake development. I installed all necessary Snowflake packages inside this environment. Then I created a Python file. This script connects to Snowflake using the connector and runs a test query. After running the script, this confirms that the Python Snowflake connection is fully working. That's everything for today. We covered Snowflake basics, environment setup, creating objects, loading sample data, and finally connecting Python to Snowflake. If you're a beginner, this is the perfect foundation. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow along as I continue this data engineering learning journey. See you in the next video.